Unfortunately not, because it's not concrete enough on the real action to be undertaken. But we decided to back up the Copenhagen Accord because it's a very important step forward. 80% of the emissions worldwide are covered by the Copenhagen Accord, and that means that for the first time we have a common accord between Europe, United States, the other OECD countries, and the emerging economies, say China, India, Brazil, South Africa. So politically it's a very important document, and we have to work on the basis of that document. Well, the 20% objective has been decided. It's a unilateral objective, and that is being implemented already now. So we have geared up the ETS directive, we have a directive on renewable energy, so that is on its way of being implemented. The whole debate is now, shall we move from 20% to 30%? And that was in the cards before Copenhagen, and that is now the question, is the Copenhagen Accord sufficiently strong for Europe to go to 30%, knowing that not everybody is ready to follow. The United States is not yet ready to follow, the Chinese are not yet ready to follow, so I expect quite a political debate on that. Well, this question of ambition, because if we want to go to 2 centigrades Celsius, that means that Europe will have to do more or less 30%. So the ambition, shall we do and implement what scientists are telling us, yes or no? First question. Second question, there is the Kyoto Protocol. The Kyoto Protocol expires in 2012. Is Europe going to continue with the Kyoto Protocol? That's an easy question for Europe. But we know that not everybody is going to join the Kyoto Protocol, so the United States will not join. Japan and Russia are said to leave the Kyoto Protocol. So politically it's quite an important question for Europe. Do we want to find ourselves alone in the Kyoto Protocol, or under what conditions can we drive in other countries into the Kyoto Protocol? And the third question is to keep going on new technologies. I mean, new low-carbon technologies is the future. The jobs of the future are going to be low-carbon and highly energy-efficient solutions. And we see that our businesses are adapting to that. So we should support them through the carbon market, but also through specific support actions, innovation initiatives like the EU 2020 strategy. I think we really have to continue there because that is the future.